What if I told you there's a business model that requires only one person, you, to generate $10,000 and even more? And what if I told you right now there's thousands of people already doing this, many who started with no previous experience? If you stay with me for the next minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can build this business in 2025 and obtain financial freedom. My name is Fred, and I went from making $0 per month, coming from the lower middle class, to making over $1,200 per day with my online business using a simple 4-step process. Now, I've put together a free video training that shows you everything I did step by step so you can copy me. The link will be in the bio. And if you want me to directly help you, I'm offering free strategy calls where together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. And to thank you, when we get to 30,000 subs on YouTube, I'll give away $2,000. Watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share with a friend to win. Here is the truth. Most people overcomplicate making money online. They spend all of their time chasing trendy business models, investing in expensive softwares they don't even need, or hiring their first team members when they didn't get any customers yet. But the simplest path to consistent 5-figure months is high-ticket consulting. Let me tell you about James. 6 months ago, he was working 60 hours per week at a marketing agency. On average, he was earning $4,000 per month. Today, he works about 25 to 30 hours a week, and he makes $12,000 per month working with only 4 customers. Now you may wonder, wow, that sounds incredible. How did he actually achieve this? He simply packaged his marketing expertise into a premium high-ticket consulting offer. The beauty of this business model is its simplicity. You don't need physical inventory, complex systems, or a gigantic audience to get started. You don't even need to manage a team. You just need you, your knowledge, or your expertise. So let's break down the exact steps to building your own high-ticket consulting business that will make you over $10,000 per month in 2025. First, you need to craft an irresistible offer that solves a significant problem for a very specific market. The key word here is specific. Most consultants fail because they try to help everyone with just about everything. Instead, you want to position yourself as the expert who solves one painful problem for one specific type of customer. For example, instead of being a generic business coach, you could be helping e-commerce brands to double their conversions in 90 days. That is a much more appealing offer, and you focus on one segment of the market. When identifying a market, you want to look for the 3 following crucial factors: the pain of your market, their purchasing power, and the demand for what you have to offer. The pain they feel must be urgent and significant, because if your clients can keep putting off their problem, they will. For that reason, your offer needs to address a problem that keeps people up at night. It could be costing them time or money or missed opportunities. It could be destroying their health or their relationships. Next, purchasing power. Your ideal customers must be able to afford your high ticket prices. And that's why oftentimes if you work with business owners, if they tell you, I don't have the money for this, they're lying to you. You know it's not a real objection. A business owner will gladly pay you $5,000 if you could help them to make $15,000 per month consistently. Now finally, you need demand in the market. You don't want to try to reinvent the wheel or to create something revolutionary which has never been done before. Look for markets where people are already paying for solutions to their painful problems. Look for competitors who sell similar offers, because that validation eliminates most of the risk. Because if some people buy products and services similar to what you want to offer, you know there is a demand for it in the market. Now once you've identified your market, you need to position your offer. The formula we use is pretty straightforward: a specific result and a specific time frame. Now if you want to make your offer even more irresistible, you can create a risk reversal, some kind of a guarantee. For example, your offer could be something like, I help accounting firms to get 10 new high-ticket sales through LinkedIn, or otherwise they don't even pay. Can you see how specific and compelling this offer is? It addresses exactly what the offer is for, who could benefit from it, what results they're going to get out of it, how quickly they will get it, and it also removes all of the risk on the side of the buyer with a risk reversal guarantee. Now with your offer crafted, you need to reach out to your ideal customers or make specific content to attract them to you directly. And this is where most people get stuck. They think they need to worry about expensive ads or complex funnels, but the most effective strategy is usually the simplest. In this case, we want to make targeted content. The goal of this content is to demonstrate you know what you're talking about, build trust with leads in your market, and position yourself as the go-to person in your niche. So your content both serves as free value for your ideal customers, and it's a very powerful marketing asset. It's like each and every single one of your videos or your posts, it's a mini video sales letter. So we can break the strategy down into 3 main steps: create, distribute, convert. So for creation, you want to pick one platform where your ideal customers spend a lot of time. So it could be YouTube, it could be TikTok, Instagram, or even LinkedIn. For example, if you target corporate executives, well, LinkedIn would be perfect for you. If you help people to get in shape, to lose fat, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok would work the best. Your content should follow the PSP formula: problem, solution, and proof. You want to identify a problem that your customer is facing, explain how you can help them with your strategy, and if you can, include proof things like testimonials or other forms of proof, depending on what you sell and who you sell it to. Now don't worry if you're just getting started and you don't have any testimonials. I didn't have any testimonials when I signed my first customers, and everybody who got started in business had 0 testimonials at the beginning, so it's normal. It's not going to hold you back unless you let it. Now once you've been able to create content, you want to distribute it strategically. What you can do is to repurpose content across multiple platforms. Now if it takes too much of your time, focus on one platform only, because the more you spread yourself thin, the more different platforms you try to be on, honestly it's going to be a disaster. So if you're alone working on this, focus on at first one platform, mastering it, and only worry about content repurposing much later, when you're at least making $10,000 plus per month. But content alone will not directly fill your calendar with high-ticket customers. You need a proven system in place to turn viewers into prospects and prospects into buyers. And this is where a landing page and your opt-in offer comes in. You want to use a valuable resource to capture some leads. This could be a free case study, a framework, a PDF, or it could be a mini video sales letter. The goal of this free piece of value is to give as much value as possible and to get your leads to see how you could help them. And you typically give it for free in exchange of people's email address and phone number. The goal is to move that relationship with your leads from social media to your own ecosystem because you control it. Now, once somebody opts in, don't make the mistake of solely relying on email marketing. In 2025, using platforms like WhatsApp, it's become essential. If you want to get ahead of the competition, stop sending out thousands of cold emails. Use WhatsApp instead. Studies show that on average, there is a 98% opening rate of messages on WhatsApp and about a 40% reply rate, which is insane. On email, it's a lot if 40% of people actually open up your emails, and you'd be lucky to get a few responses. Ideally, you want to reach out to your leads as quickly as possible, within a minute of them opting in. Now, to be able to do this, you need appointment setters or AI tools, because you can't be in front of your computer looking at every opt-in, every hour of the day, every minute of the day, and constantly messaging people manually. It's physically impossible. You've got better things to do with your time. But your initial message should be brief, it should be customized, and it should engage a conversation. It should grab people's attention, make them want to answer. For example, you could say, "Hey name, I saw that you downloaded my PDF or my blueprint, or you requested access to the free video training. What caught your attention? What are you interested in? Would you like to achieve X result?" For example, if you gave somebody a PDF to lose weight, you could say something like, "Hey John, I saw that you downloaded my PDF to lose weight. Are you currently yourself struggling with weight loss?" Simple, clear, attention grabbing, perfect. This approach strikes up a genuine conversation that builds trust with your leads instead of directly jumping into a sales pitch. Now from here, your goal is to schedule a call with qualified prospects, people who know what you have to offer, they could benefit from it, and they also have the resources to pay for that transformation. Now the sales calls is where your high-ticket consulting business thrives or dies. But it doesn't have to be super complicated. You want to follow this simple framework: current situation, desired situation, obstacles, solution. You want to start by understanding their current situation, where they're at, what they've tried in the past, what's their life like right now, and why they're struggling. So this builds some kind of report, and it shows people you're interested in their current circumstances. You're trying to understand them as opposed to pushing your offer down their throat. Now after that, you want to explore their desired situation. What do they actually want to get? What's the outcome? What's the transformation they want to achieve? And you always want to get specific numbers or time frames to help them to pinpoint an exact outcome that they want. And then the goal is to identify the obstacles that are preventing them from getting what they want. Is it lack of knowledge, time, or systems, or something else? And then you want to position your offer as the missing piece, as the vehicle allowing them to bridge the gap between their current situation and their desired situation. Now when it comes to pricing, remember this: high ticket means value, so do not undercharge. For example, if you were to work with businesses, if you could make them an extra $30,000, charging $5,000 would not be unreasonable. If you were to help people to repair their marriage, to avoid a costly divorce, charging $3K for that would not be unreasonable either, because the transformation that they get is much more valuable than the price tag. You want to position your fee not as a cost, but as an investment to improve their future. Now once you start signing customers, you'll need to consider a delivery method. As a one-person business aiming for $10,000 per month, you need to consider a few different options. One-to-one coaching is the simplest to start with, because you just directly work with customers and you do a weekly or bi-weekly call, and then you offer them support via WhatsApp or a Discord group or a Telegram group, for example. Now this model allows for deep customization. You work with customers closely, but at the same time, it limits your scalability. So the next stage above that is group coaching. It allows you to work with more people while not spending more time. And what's very valuable about this model is that people often really value the community aspect. They hear other people asking you questions and you answering them, and it can help them to come up with ideas or to solve problems in their business or life or relationships they themselves didn't even realize they had in the first place. Everybody learns from everybody's feedback, which makes it incredibly helpful. Now there's done for you services as well. So for example, if you help businesses to get get more leads to edit videos, you can do it for them if you know how to do it. But if you don't know how to do it yourself, you can leverage remote contractors to do the work for your customers. Done for you is typically the most expensive offer because it takes the most amount of time on your end. So as you can see, the path to $10,000 per month is a simple mathematical equation. If your offer is $2,500 per month, you only need 4 customers. At $5,000, you only need 2. And this simplicity is one of the things that make high-ticket sales so powerful. Now, something I really want you to remember is that you want to focus on selling outcomes, transformations, not deliverables. Clients do not pay for your time or your knowledge. They pay for an outcome. That is how you can justify premium prices. I've seen this business model transform so many lives again and again and again, and my life too. It offers you freedom, high profit margins, and so much fun. No other business model matches it in my experience. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, I've put together a free video training where I show you step by step everything I did to make upwards of $1,200 per day with my business. I give away all the secrets. And if you're serious about making more money, right now I'm offering free strategy calls where together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 plus per month as quickly as possible. The links will be in the bio, but be quick because our limited spots fill up extremely quickly and I don't know for how long this offer will be available. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.